Okay, so I fluffed the bottom of the tree. Took my time, just, you know, work the way and make the bottom half full, and that's your like starting point. I'm going to show you how I fluff my branches. Start at the back, and I start off by wrapping around one around like the wire bit of the tree, just to give it a bit green. Push these branches back, you know, shape of it like a tree. Any gaps, just like putting them in. So keep working that lovely until we get to the bottom. Then it sort of splits into two here. So we'll push them back, work it. Now this is where the branch pull it. You can pull it, just it's fine. And then open these ones out to give it. I don't turn my branches up. This is how I like normally fluff mine, and it always looks so full. Again, the other side. Work it in. Down. It's all colour coordinated, so you know you're not get mixed up which, you know, if you forget which branch have I done, because it's all got the colours on. So again, wrap it around and pull out branches. Pull apart, and this is the front. Beautiful, beautiful tree. So this is what you do all the way through your tree. I mean, take your time, it is totally worth it. Once I get the top, I do pull the branches down a little bit. So another tip of mine, keep standing back, having a look at it. You'll see some, you know, gaps, but I like to stand mine overnight for like 24 hours to bed in. You don't have to, but that's my choice. I like to do that, and then be ready for the lights tomorrow. So hope you enjoyed this and get fluffing with those trees.